Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can view posts you have made over on Reddit. So when you create a post, it can either be a normal post or a video, and you want to actually see that post because you just want to know how you can actually find that post, and here's how you can do that. So first, when you for example click on create, we're going to just simply make a really quick post. Doesn't really matter, just type in test, we're going to click on next, we're going to post to the subreddit called r/funny, and once we have done that, we're going to add some body text, and we are literally just going to click on post right here. Literally, once you've done that, you will automatically be redirected to the post. But let's just be, for example, you just are not being redirected to the post. Then what you can always just do is go right here into messages. And then it may say that if you add a really long video, it may say that video is processed. And when you then click on that name of that video, you will also be basically sent to that video. So that's basically all you need to do in order to see the actual post you have posted over on Reddit. So yeah, if this video helped you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.